Did you know that if you mix toothpaste with a lemon, you might never need to buy expensive cleaning products again? That's right. This powerful homemade cleaner is about to blow your mind and save you serious money. It's simple, it's fast, and you probably already have everything you need at home. Grab a plate and a lemon, cut it in half. Now take a bowl or any container and squeeze the juice from one half of the lemon into it. Press it well to get every drop. You can do this by hand, no fancy tools needed. If you're enjoying hacks like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an easy budget-saving tip like this one. Now back to the magic. Once your lemon juice is ready, grab any toothpaste. It doesn't matter the brand. Add about a teaspoon into the lemon juice. This amount is more than enough. Mix it well until it forms a smooth blend. Now take the second half of your lemon and squeeze that into the mixture too. More lemon juice means more natural power to cut through grime. And hey, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far these tips are reaching. Give the mixture another stir. Now it's time to boost this with baking soda. Just add 1 teaspoon. That's all you need. As soon as it hits the mix, you'll see it start to fizz. That fizz means it's working. Stir it well again. Next up, dish detergent. Use any brand you like. I'm using this one here. Add 2 teaspoons into the bowl and give everything a good final stir. You're building a powerhouse cleaner right now, all from things sitting in your kitchen. Now grab an empty spray bottle or any container with a lid. Use a funnel to pour in the mixture. Once it's in, fill the bottle with water until you reach about 500 milliliters. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. You now have your very own all-purpose, germ-busting, shine-restoring cleaning spray. Wondering where to use this? Let me show you. If your bathroom sink has stubborn stains or soap scum, spray your new cleaner directly onto the surface. Grab a sponge and scrub lightly. You'll be amazed at the shine. This mix is anti-fungal, anti-bacterial, and makes everything smell fresh too. And yes, and it's way cheaper than buying store-bought cleaners. You can also use it in the toilet. Just pour a little inside the bowl, take your toilet brush, scrub as usual, and rinse. Your toilet will be spotless and fully disinfected. Don't forget to get under the rim and around the edges. This cleaner handles it all, and you're not limited to the bathroom. This homemade miracle works wonders in the kitchen sink, on countertops, even in the shower stall. It's safe, powerful, and saves you money every single time you use it. So if this tip blew your mind or saved you even a few dollars, hit that like button and share it with a friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean limescale on taps naturally. Sending you a big hug. Stay safe, stay clean, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.